Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a brochure in Canva, like a really professional looking one, in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, if you don't have a Canva account yet, go ahead and sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook. If you already have one, just log in. Easy stuff. Once you're in, type brochure into the search bar at the top. You'll see tons of templates pop up, so you can pick one that matches your style and brand. Next, click on the template you like. Canva will open it in the editor where you can start customizing. You know, fonts, colors, images, everything. Now, edit the text to match your message. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors. Then replace the images with your own photos or Canva's stock images. This is where your brochure really starts to look professional. Take a moment to move elements around if you like, adjust spacing, or add icons and shapes. Canva makes this super easy, so play around until it looks right. Finally, when you're happy with your brochure, click the download button to save it as a PDF, PNG, or JPG, or share it directly online through Canva. And that's it. So yeah, that's how you make a brochure in Canva really quickly. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more guides like this. Thanks for watching.